everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for clicking on this video to listen to this huge announcement that I have to share with you, and after I'm done I will share with you all how to make an amazing curry shrimp recipe. So today guys, I want to share with you all that I am proud to say I am the brand ambassador for Caribbean Flavours. Those of you all who don't know Caribbean Flavours, you need to get to know them. Why? I have been using this company's products for quite some time, and when this opportunity was presented to me, it was a no-brainer. I love this company. I love all of their products and I love what they stand for. They have great customer service and they have a line of products that is really impeccable. So let me show you guys. This is what their packaging looks like. And what I like about their product is it comes with a resealable top. One of the best things that I've seen with brands, because I hate when I'm using something I have to get a little baggy clip to clip it. I love that it seals. They do have a wide range of products to choose from. I've been using all of their products and I really love every single item. So when this was presented to me to be their brand ambassador to represent this company, I was elated. I am so thankful to Caribbean Flavours for this opportunity, and I can't wait to share with you all of their amazing products and their lineup and use it in my videos. So I want you all to go out and try these products. They're really amazing. One of the big things about Caribbean Flavours is that their products contain no MSG, which I really like because I've also been trying to stay away from MSG. So you'll notice in a lot of my recipes, you'll see no MSG used. So if you guys have never tried their products before, trust me when I tell you it's really great. It's all I use when I cook. So now that I'm ambassador for Caribbean Flavours, I am so excited to share some more recipe with you guys. I want to start revamping all of my old recipes and making it modern, making it very easy to follow, because that's what my videos, what my recipes were known for, is making very short, easy to follow videos. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you all a very flavorful and easy curry shrimp recipe. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and move on into the curry shrimp video, but yay, this was such an exciting announcement for me. This is a big deal for me, and this is another accomplishment and another milestone for me, brand ambassador. So thank you Caribbean Flavours for that. And let's move on into the curry shrimp recipe. So guys, for this recipe I'm going to season the shrimp with salt to taste and black pepper from, of course, Caribbean Flavours. And now I'm going to add in my green seasoning, which I will link the recipe in the description box for you all. This is more of a dried version. Usually I blend it with water, but today we're doing this dried version. I'm going to go in with some chopped onions, one chopped tomato, and some chopped chive and celery, a mixture. And we're going to give this a mix. You can allow this to marinate for about 15 minutes. If you don't have time, you can use it right away. So I'm going to allow mine to marinate for about 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, let me show you how we're going to mix the curry to make this. So guys, in this bowl I have some sliced onions, scallions, celery, and a pimento pepper chopped up. You can also add a hot pepper to it. This is going to be our aromatics in this bowl that we'll need to saute before we add in our curry. So now to make the curry mixture. So guys, for this curry mixture, I'm using Caribbean Flavours mild curry powder. You can use the spicy one if you like. And this is a sealed pack, and I want to show you guys how it works. You go ahead and there's a little indent here. You pull against that, and that's going to open the pack for you. And then you open your pack like this, and you can take out your curry, and then it reseals very easily, and nothing is going to fall out from the pack. That's why I love their products. they think about the customer and the customer's needs when it comes to using their products. So now let me show you guys. I like to do a combination. So I'm gonna take out my curry powder, and their curry smells so amazing. So we have curry powder. Next, I'm going to add some amchar masala. I always like making a mixture of spices, and a little bit of amchar masala goes a long way. Turmeric gives it a nice color. And in goes some geera. For this, we're going to need some whole grain geera, which is available from Caribbean Flavours, and some methi or fenugreek seeds, also available from Caribbean Flavours. Okay guys, I'm using my fireside here, but of course you can make this on your stove. I'm gonna go in with some oil. Okay, so we're gonna start by adding our methi and whole grain geera, and we're gonna let that cook until it's brown. Dark brown in color, but don't burn it. If you're doing this on your stove, you want to do it on a medium-low heat. Now I'm going to go in with the aromatics. And we're going to saute this until it's light brown in color. Okay, so now when your onions are brown, you're going to go in with your curry blend. And remember, it's Caribbean Flavours. And we're going to toast this on a low heat. Make sure your heat is on low. And to control the fire, I just spritz it with some water. So guys, remember when you're toasting curry, you want to toast it on low, and you want to toast it. It takes about a minute, but you want it to feel grainy. Now at this time, about 2 minutes into that cooking, you'll notice that the oils start separating from the curry, and that's what you're looking for. I need this to continue to cook to get a little more thicker. Okay guys, you see how that oil is separating from the curry and it's nice and thick like this? That's how you'll know that the curry is ready. So all we have to do now is throw in our shrimp. Make sure and clean out the bowl for any seasonings left back in the bowl. And we're going to mix and allow that curry to coat the shrimp. So guys, I may not need to add any additional water to this because it's bringing its own juices here, and we don't want to overcook the shrimp because it can become rubbery. And it's already been 8 minutes since this has been cooking, so it's almost done. At this point, the sauce is nice and thick. What I'm going to do is just add in a little bit of water just to create a little more sauce, so we can have something to eat our rice with. And this is ready. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to adjust my salt. Okay, the salt, we have enough salt. It tastes really good. That curry is a really delicious curry to cook with, and that's the curry that I've been using for the longest while. So now I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna plate and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe for this curry shrimp. Make it and let me know what you think. A big thank you again to Caribbean Flavours for this opportunity. I am so proud to represent your company. And guys, stay tuned for more amazing recipes using their products. Bye everyone.